So I haven't even put away the stuff that my friend gave me. And then my neighbors that volunteer at a food bank just brought us this. So we're going to have these for dinner tonight. And it's like 1, 2, 3, so probably 12 patties. Looks like pretty good burger here. So we're going to make those tonight. I have some sourdough. We're going to make basically the, what is it, Jack in the Box equivalent, sourdough jacks. We're going to have that. I don't have burger buns. Chicken thighs, which are my personal favorite. If there's only one piece of meat, if I had to choose, like for forever, it'd probably be chicken thighs. Man, I don't know. Maybe bacon. Oh, there's some bacon. It'd be a hard thing to choose between bacon and chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs. So just some Oscar Mayer bacon. That looks good. Oh my goodness, there's 2 of them. 2. Feels like it was frozen at some point. So we got 2 things of bacon. I'll probably put those in the freezer. Whole chicken. What is this? Is that more bacon? No. Okay. Steakhouse. Oh, so pork. Is it? Can't tell if it's one. It feels like it's 1 piece of pork there. Pre-seasoned. That looks good. And a chicken. They're being silly in the background. Tomato soup. And we've got, what is that? Oh, persimmon. I've always wanted to try these. Okay, Southerners, I know there's some watching. What exactly is a persimmon? Like, all I know is when I see them. I don't know, like, it's firm. Is it ready to eat? Can you eat it now? Do you eat it when it's soft? I don't even know what it tastes like. I think all I know is from, like, Little House on the Prairie. We got beets. Those are good. Looks like there's a couple of beets. That one looks monstrous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Those are huge. There's a couple of them that are huge. Oh my god, that weighs a couple pounds. That guy right there. That is impressive. Just a minute, baby. We got orange. Or maybe that's a grapefruit. Yeah, just a minute, baby. Okay. We got Akiberry sorbet, which is wonderful for me because I can't eat ice cream and I miss it horribly. Looks like there's some radishes. What is this? More tomato soup because I know we love tomato soup. We have celery. And what is this? Oh, 2 things of heavy whipping cream. Oh my goodness. We might have to freeze that and then figure out what we're going to do with it. Because I don't know what to do with 2 of those. Pretty cool. Let me know what to do with persimmons if you've ever eaten them. Like, can you eat the skin? I don't even know.